So let me give you a demo of this particular application using which you can easily apply to hundreds of jobs daily. So you don't have to manually check for each job requirement, read the responsibility requirement, and write email specific to that particular job. So you can take any LinkedIn URL, any LinkedIn job, whatever you have. So if you want to apply, you can just paste the URL of that particular job, and the AI will generate an email specifically targeted for that particular job. So using this application, you can generate emails for free. Hundreds of emails you can generate every day, and you can easily apply. So it's within less than 5 seconds you can generate the emails get generated. So you just upload your resume and drop the LinkedIn URL or any job URL, or directly paste the content, and the AI will generate a personalized email taking into consideration your email, your resume, as well as the job description. So you also get email body as well as email subject. So you can directly copy paste that and send that email. So for this, you don't need to have any login. So all the data is stored in the cloud. So within 5 minutes, you can set up this particular application, and you don't need to create any account. Just click on this go to dashboard, and you will have a default user created for you. So this all the data is securely stored on the cloud database. So we are using PostgreSQL database. So that you can easily set up within 2 minutes. So you don't have to waste time doing that. So this entire application can be set up within 5 minutes, and you can use this application for free for lifetime. So you don't have to pay anything for this. So to use the AI functionality. So AI is completely free. Every day you can apply to hundreds of jobs by just pasting the URL. So it will save you a lot of hours of time, and you can easily apply for, and you will not miss any specific requirement, like to mention the notice period or something. So you will see that. So you once you come here on the dashboard, you can upload your resume. So you get default name. You can also update that is stored in the database. So you can click on upload resume and upload your any resume that you have. So it should be PDF and max 1 MB size. So you can upload that, and you can AI will automatically use this particular uploaded resume. So now you can go to generate and paste any URL or any text. So this is one of the posts which is posted for the job requirement. So I can just copy paste this particular content, and let's go here and paste that text. So click on generate email. So it will start generating email by reading this particular content as well as your resume. So it will create a personalized email for you. So you can see within 5 seconds, the email is generated. It's exact same. So if I come here, you can see it's the exact same requirement, React developer, 3-month contract offshore. So the subject is automatically created. You can just copy that and send this email. So the email also, you can see it is exactly matching with the requirement. So it needs React hooks, contains API, Redux toolkit. So whatever mentioned here, all these things are specifically used here. And you also need to mention current location. So if I scroll down, you can see you also get a warning. So you will not miss these important things. So the requirement is that you need to mention all these things. So the AI will automatically tell you that these are required things. So you will not miss these while sending that email. So you can see you automatically get the personalized email with the actual experience you have mentioned in your resume, and whether you are immediate joiner or not. So this is how you can easily generate this. So you can also save this, so you can easily track for later if you want to add that. So you can click on save, and this is by default come as LinkedIn job placeholder. But you can also add your name of that particular company. So later you can easily find out which jobs you have applied. So make sure you add some, even though it's optional, make sure to give some name so you can easily later find out that. So just click on save, and this will be saved to your history. So you can click on view history, and you will be able to see that email in the history. So you can click on this eye icon, so you can see the original requirement, then subject and email, whatever you have sent, you can copy it from here also. So it also has a pagination. So if you have more applications, you can easily paginate through this particular application. Now let's say take another example. Let's say this is Barclays URL. So I can just copy paste this particular link. So I don't have to always copy paste the entire job description. You can see the job description is too long. So you can just copy paste the URL, go to paste URL and paste that particular URL. you can see AI has generated that particular email application for React developer. So you can see it's exactly same title, position at Barclays. So it correctly identifies what are the requirements and why you are the good fit. You can see earlier at Globant I delivered Excel like data grid cruise planner. So it automatically updates your the email as per your resume. So whatever the requirement is there, so component based architecture and what are the requirement for this particular job skill, you can, this will be automatically updated. So here you can see high scalable performance UI components you need to build. So all these things are automatically read, and here you will be able to generate that particular application email easily. So let's save this. Here I can say Barclays, and let's save this. So this will also be saved. This is not specific to LinkedIn. You can take any job platform URL and paste that. If it has a text, you can directly paste that text, or you can directly paste the URL. So this is one of the requirement from my application higher up. So you can just copy that, and let's scroll up and paste that URL. Click on generate email. So a new email will be generated for specifically targeting for that particular email. So let's see how what it generates. So you can see email is generated, application for senior React developer, which is exactly same here. And whatever requirement you can also change this. So click on edit and you can change what you want to change, and you can then copy that particular email. So this is completely customizable. Any information you can change. So here I can say, let's say, thank you for considering my application. If I want to change something, I can change this to 12 plus years. I can do anything. I can add some spacing and click on copy email, and this will be copied. So let's click on down done and now save this. So here I can say senior React developer job for let's say Strike. So you automatically get that suggestion. So this is a placeholder. This is not the actual text. So make sure you type the actual text which is displayed or your own text. So click on save and view in history. Now you will be able to see you have applied to, you have generated three different emails. So you can click on any of these and you can easily directly click here. So if later you want to track which jobs you have applied, you can easily click on this link and you will be redirected to that particular page. So this is really useful for tracking, and this is completely free. You don't need to pay anything for the AI. So using this, you can easily generate hundreds of emails every day, and this will make your job of applying really easy. So all this data is stored in the database cloud storage, so you never lose this. You can easily find out, you can easily search in this particular history. So if I want to search where are the jobs by that applied to Stripe, you can easily find out. You can easily search by the content also. So whatever content is there, so here we have 𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗃. So this is the Stripe. So if I search for 𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗃, you can see you correctly get that result. So whatever content, body, message, everything you can easily search here. Later, if you want to find out, you can also sort this by oldest first, latest first, and you can easily copy the email content. So email copy to clip. So this is completely free to use and is using which you can easily generate hundreds of emails every day and apply to jobs. So this will make your job a really easy for applying to jobs. So you don't have to spend 20 minutes, 30 minutes for just to write your email targeting that particular skills or requirement. So you will not also miss the important things like mention your current location, current salary. So you will automatically get all those suggestions. So that's it about this particular application.